What does it mean to stay centered and inner peace in yourself, no matter the environment? Hey, it's Satoe from Shine Body Soul, and thank you for watching our video. So today I'd like to share some experience. Recently, we did a workshop outdoors. I also spoke to one of the participants. We all witnessed that we had stability in our energy during the session. So let's get to watch it.
Is it first time you practice Reiki outdoors?
Yes, in a group setting especially. Yeah.
How was your session?
Oh, it was so much fun, very relaxing. I wasn't sure what to expect because it was my first time, and since it's a carnival, I thought it was going to be very noisy, but the noise didn't bother me at all. And the instructions were very clear and easy to follow, and especially the Reiki part and the latter part was so relaxing. I think I was taking a power nap because I could see,
You
was
could
really nice.
sleep
Yeah, I
even
think so.
during the noise around us.
It didn't bother me at all.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay,
It was
thank
so
you.
nice. I look forward to joining again.
Yes,
next
please
year.
do
Yeah.
more. Yeah, let's do more.
Yeah, thank you
Yeah,
so much.
thank you.
Bye-bye.